What the fuck? He even walks slow back up to it. Look how slow he walks up to it. What? I can't take it. Like, what the hell? Did Maddie see this yet?
Yeah.
Maddie probably finds it really funny.
He saw it last year. That's what he saw that tree and goes, "That's what he did. He likes to crawl." I was like, "You remember that?"
Milo. Oh my god.
And he's like, "I'm gonna try and find a new way out of here." Actually, let's just go backwards. Prance, prance and turn, prance and grace.
Oh my god.
Oh, this feels so special on my body.
Milo.
He's like,
he doesn't even care.
Why not?
It's okay, Molly. You didn't know. You can walk if you want. Let's see how... He's been doing this for the past, like, really long time.
3 minutes and 51 seconds?
No, he's been doing it all night. Like, every time I walk by, he's doing it. Milo!
Not today, no.
Yeah, he doesn't care about me anymore.
My newly purchased rose flower bud things are here, so I can't talk anymore. Like, he's like, he's like, it's like, it looks like something